Now, lower rates for commonly prescribed medications under Medicare may save the government and its beneficiaries billions of dollars while putting pressure on drug makers' bottom lines.
In fact, as part of President Joe Biden's hallmark Inflation Reduction Act, the United States government is set to announce this week which 10 pharmaceuticals and the Medicare Part D program will be permitted to negotiate costs for. Let's take a look at this next report to find out more.
Drugs like Johnson & Johnson's blood thinner Xarelto and Eli Lilly & Co.'s diabetes drug Jardiance are widely anticipated to be prescribed. When compared to most other industrialized nations, the United States' capacity to negotiate drug cost is a significant shift since pharmaceutical corporations have previously been free to set prices at whatever they deemed appropriate. With Medicare now allowed to negotiate prices for long available medications, the pharmaceutical industry is bracing for the possibility of diminished income from some of its top sales. Wells Fargo Securities estimates that the United States may save $36.5 billion between 2026 and 2028 if negotiations are successful. Pharmaceutical companies are taking legal action to alleviate this pressure. Each year, Medicare spends more than $200 billion on medications for non-hospitalized patients. In 2021 alone, over $12 billion was spent on the blood thinner Eliquis, made by Bristol Myers Squibb, which is used to reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Under the IRA, the maximum allowable cost of a prescribed medications will be reduced to between 75% and 40% of its current market value. The Congressional Budget Office predicts that Medicare will reduce its spending on the selected medications by half on average. By 2031, yearly savings will exceed $25 billion, resulting in a reduction of about $100 billion in healthcare expenditure. Due to legal complexities, it is difficult to know in advance which medications may be impacted. Goldman Sachs analysts said that although there is a consensus on certain points, the uncertainty might cause the market to respond in unexpected ways. Significant pharmaceutical companies have been trading at a depressed level compared to the market as a whole. So the release of the medicine list may not have much on an impact on the sector's stock price. Medicare's low-cost medicine list will grow annually, influencing pharmaceutical production and distribution. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.